Nexo Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Nexo Wallet app has become one of the biggest names in crypto finance, offering not just storage, but also lending, borrowing, and earning features all in one place. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's explore the pros and cons so you can decide if Nexo fits your crypto goals. Starting with the pros, Nexo's biggest strength is its versatility. Unlike basic wallets that only hold your coins, Nexo lets you earn interest on your crypto, sometimes up to 12% annual yield simply by storing assets in your account. It supports major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins such as USD and USC. Another big plus is instant crypto-backed loans. Instead of selling your crypto, you can borrow cash or stablecoins against it. This is perfect if you need liquidity, but don't want to trigger taxable events by selling your holdings. Security is also a highlight. Nexo partners with BitGo and Ledger Vault, both industry leaders in crypto custody. The platform claims insurance coverage up to $1 million, adding extra peace of mind for users who store large amounts. Now for the cons, and this is where things get interesting. First, Nexo is a custodial wallet, meaning it holds your private keys. You're trusting the company to manage your funds securely. That's a deal breaker for users who prefer full self-custody. Another drawback is regulatory uncertainty. While Nexo operates legally in many countries, it has faced scrutiny from regulators in the United States. This has led to restrictions on certain features for US users. Lastly, while the yields are attractive, they are variable and can change based on market conditions or Nexo's internal policies. In conclusion, the Nexo Wallet app is a powerful choice for crypto investors who want to earn, borrow, and manage assets conveniently. It's easy to use, highly secure, and offers great returns, but it requires trust in a centralized company. If you're okay with that trade-off, Nexo can be a smart, all-in-one crypto finance solution.